Hey, you guys, we're gonna do a walk around. I was gone last week. I was gone this weekend, and I'm leaving tomorrow to go to New York City. So it's been a little much, and once I come home, I'm not leaving again for a while. Tomorrow's for work, but it's just still a lot. You know, we went on that cruise. I went to the Berkshires for the last couple days, and I just need to be home. You know. So you're seeing my beauties with me that are growing. I feel like this zinnia and is very unique. You see how it's like almost like fire, like the red and the yellow. And there's another one right here. And this, I love the purple in the middle. Beautiful. I mean, they're just beautiful. And if you're not into gardening, just get yourself a dollar seed pack. Yeah, and there's been I guess crazy storms and winds. Look at all this. Look at all the I guess you would call it little break off of the trees. So yeah, we're gonna get this all, you know, fixed. But it's sad. I mean, I grew a lot of this and I've been gone for a while. I have about 50 tomatoes already up in the house, like in a basket. But you can see there's so many more. And then let's just see how this is doing. And these are big, beautiful sunflowers. Look at how healthy that is. And this is my fave. I'll have to go over there, but wow, this one is beautiful too. I haven't seen this one yet because I just got home from the Berkshires. More sunflowers. I think the polar bear, this is the most beautiful gladiola, but her head's down because of the water. It's too much. They don't like the water like that. I put her a stick, but we've been waiting a long time to see these polar bear zinnias. I thought they'd be the thick ones, like the ones we saw out front that almost look like a carnation, but literally looks like a one, but that's okay. Still pretty. Okay, I want to come in this way. I have a lot of picking to do. Like all these tomatoes, and we have cucumbers. And don't forget, cucumbers like to vine. They're viners. So remember I showed you when they were little? Look at how massive they are now. And this one too. You just buy like a thing like this at Job Lot, and you actually don't even have to guide them. They will grow up. They're viners. This is another cucumber plant. She doesn't have a trellis yet, but maybe. But I want to get up. Here's a zinnia right here. This poor baby. We're going to pick her right now because I don't want her laying on the ground. All right, give me a minute. All right. I don't want her laying. But I have about 50 tomatoes in the house because we're going to make sauce with Sal's mom. And I got to pick these. Holy crap, we got 2 now. I just put a picture on my community post of how beautiful and how vintage and antique. I was talking about this one. This baby. Oh, wow. We got 2. Look, I'll show you from a distance. I don't know how that happened. I didn't plant this variety, but you never know with the bees and how they pollinate one another. But this is literally the best, beautiful sunflower I think I've ever seen. I think it's just, it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to let them be. I'm not going to cut them. I'm just going to leave them, where they are. Uh, we're going to pull this baby out. Whoa, that's a big one. No, you know what I'm saying. Lots of weed involvement. Lisa's coming up. I don't know. What is she going to be? I don't know. It's crazy. And all these cherry tomatoes. I mean, look, I've been out of here. I mean, I have people watching after my dog, family, and the garden. But, all right, you family. But we had a good year. We did. I mean, all these guys, they already bloomed. When I was in the Bahamas, like, look at this. It's probably the squirrels, right? They took a bite. And look at all the seeds are gone. I saw the birds, like, landing on them and eating the seeds out of them. But you know what? That's okay. Look at this one, too. No seeds. They're eating the seeds. This one, well, they're there. The seeds are under there, see? They haven't eaten this one yet. But they will. It's good. You want your birds to, tap, your backyard birds to tap into their natural, like do their natural thing. But if you spoil birds and feed them, please do not forget to feed them in the winter because there's nothing in the winter. So it's most important. Don't feed them now in the summer or the spring because there's so much natural food for them. But in the winter, if you're going to feed them in the spring and summer, please feed them in the fall and the winter. That's when they need it. Yo. All right. Love you guys. Talk soon. Bye.